Italian seasoning and the Parmesan baked right in. This is so beautiful, nice and fluffy and moist. Ooh, look at that. Welcome back, Savers, and for those who are new to the channel, hi, I'm Saba, and this is Savoring with Saba, and y'all, I am super excited about today's video because I am making one of my all-time favorite childhood recipes, and that is the Olive Garden breadsticks. Now, I don't know about you, but I was living for those unlimited breadsticks from Olive Garden, and so I decided I'm gonna make a version of those today. Why? Because they're delicious, and I get a ton of questions from people asking me if I can have bread now that I'm low carb and keto friendly. The short answer is yes, and I'm gonna show you how. So let's jump right into today's video. Oh, and a real quick housekeeping item. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, click that red subscription button below and join the community. All right, we're gonna get started. This is a super simple recipe, and don't worry, if you're kitchen challenged, aka the struggle's real in this kitchen, then let me help you out and give you step-by-step instructions. The first thing you wanna do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then you're gonna grab 3 mixing bowls. Woo! Yes, 3 bowls. These are heavy, by the way. So, I'm gonna put these down, and what you wanna do is crack your eggs in the largest mixing bowl. All right, y'all, so here's the kicker. Apparently, Olive Garden puts sugar in their breadsticks. Now, I don't know about you, but I was super surprised to hear about this, and this is why I love cooking for myself, because we never really know what these restaurants are putting in our favorite menu items. But in order to keep up with the spirit of today's video, which is a copycat version of their breadsticks, I am gonna add monk fruit sweetener instead because we don't do sugar over here. So with that, I'm gonna put the monk fruit sweetener in, and then I'm gonna whisk all the ingredients together. Now you want to grab your third mixing bowl and put your cream cheese and shredded mozzarella in here. You're going to melt this for 20 to 30 second increments in the microwave. We want the consistency to be ooey and gooey and smooth because this is going to be like our binding agent between our eggs and our almond flour. Essentially, we're going to be making a fathead dough. Now it's time to form the rolls, but first you want to grab your baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. This dough is super sticky, so you want to dampen your hands with some water, and then you can grab the pieces of the dough, form it with your hands, and place it on the parchment paper. A little pizzazz and razzle dazzle for my garlic rolls, so I like to melt some ghee and brush the ghee on top of the rolls, then add some Italian seasoning and Parmesan cheese. And y'all, I'm adding something brand spanking new to this recipe. I am using, instead of Fourth and Heart's regular ghee, I'm using their ghee with garlic, y'all. I am super excited. I love a good garlicky situation. Now, if you don't like garlic that much, then go ahead and use their regular ghee. But, you know, you can never have too much garlic, so I'm going to add this to the recipe. it's time to put these bad boys in the oven. Savorers, they're done. Look how cute these are. They are super hot, so I'm gonna let them cool for a little bit. I'll plate them and then I'll be back to taste them with you. Italian seasoning and the Parmesan baked right in. This is so beautiful, nice and fluffy and moist. Now it's time to eat. Now it's time to eat. All right, so I'm super excited. Let me grab this one. Ooh, look at that. Perfection. I can taste that garlicky ghee in there. It has that beautiful, beautiful hint of garlic. It's ooey and gooey from the cheeses. Nice and flaky. And this has been out for like 10 minutes. Not hard at all. All I need is some pasta. Y'all, this right here, it's good. Look at this. Beautiful, people. Still nice and moist. It's fabulous. Visit my website, savoringwithsaba.com, for the full ingredients list and step-by-step instructions. And if you like this video, or if you want to see some more copycat recipes, like this video, drop a comment down below. And if you have not already subscribed and joined the community, click that red subscription button. Everyone stay safe, and until next time, happy savoring. Okay, guys, shh. I'm gonna call my sister to try these. We both love Olive Garden's breadsticks growing up. She's not keto or low carb, but I want to hear her real reaction. So, shh. Grace! Are you hungry? You want to try some of my bread rolls? They're garlic bread rolls. Hurry up, I gotta film one more video. Try one. What do you think?
Oh, good.
Oh, it's good, huh?
Can I have another one?
Oh, you want another one?
Yes, please. I'm hungry.